Hi, my name is Paweł Mączka. I'm CTO at VP at Storware. Storware provides the enterprise-grade data protection for the modern workloads. Modern workloads such as virtual environments, containers, cloud, application, or storage providers. I'm thrilled to announce that lately we introduced the cooperation with the Scale Computing company. What you can actually get from this synergy? You will find a really robust and effective way to protect your existing virtual machines based on the Scale Computing platform. You will get two different strategies. First one, the native one, which allows you to do in a full backup. Second, which we call disk attachment, allows you to do in the incremental forever approach backup with the change block tracking functionality. Snapshot-based management for even much more robust RPOs. Individual file recovery. HTML5 new UI for easier management, RESTful API for the third-party integration, recovery plans for automate the procedures for your backups and tests, and my favorite, the freedom of choice philosophy. You can store the data in a different formats, different backup destination, starting from the file system through the object storages to send the data even to the different backup vendors, starting from the IBM through the Dell, Micro Focus, Rubrik, or the Veritas. If you would like to get more information about our cooperation, please contact the Scale Computing company or Storware itself.